This lesson is about adjectives. You'll learn what adjectives do and how to identify them.
How to put many adjectives in the correct order.
Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Let's look at some examples. A diligent student gets good grades. A happy mother is a good mother. I have awesome teachers. Here are the adjectives, and here are the nouns. The adjectives describe the nouns. Adjectives can describe either singular or plural nouns. Adjectives can also describe pronouns. For example, he is happy, they are colorful. He and they are pronouns. Happy and colorful are adjectives, and they describe the pronouns. But how can you tell which words are adjectives? One thing you can do is look for common adjective endings, and we'll talk about those in just a minute. You can also look at the sentence structure. Here are some common adjective endings. All, like accidental, personal, or regional. Full, like beautiful, colorful, and skillful. Ick, like historic, athletic, and basic. Ish, like selfish, foolish, and pinkish. Here is one structure for using adjectives. We have subject plus linking verb plus adjective. And here are some common linking verbs: be, become, seem, appear, look, feel, taste, smell, and sound. The linking verbs can be in any verb tense, such as present, past, perfect, or future. The other structure in sentences is to have adjective plus noun. For example, smart, student; happy, mother; awesome, teacher. You can also put articles in front of them, such as the, or a or an. Remember that adjectives are descriptive. Adjectives are important. Adjectives are easy.
You already know that adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. For example, the teacher is happy. Teacher is the noun. Happy is the adjective that describes teacher. They are excited. They is the pronoun, and excited is the adjective that describes they. You can have many adjectives to describe one noun. For example, here are some nouns and some adjectives we could use to describe them. We can add more and more adjectives. But what order should the adjectives go in? How do you know what order to use? The good news is there is an order to adjectives. First comes the number, then opinion, size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, origin, material, and then purpose. One way to remember this order is by using this sentence. Now, on small, slim couches, a cat puts on magic pajamas. Now on small, slim couches, a cat puts on magic pajamas. Now let's take a closer look. If we have the noun dresses, We could use these adjectives to describe them: 20, pretty, petite, long, clean, new, red, lacy, French, silk, wedding dresses. But usually we only use 3 to 4 different types of adjectives for one noun. For example, for this woman, we can describe her as pretty, slim, blonde, Canadian. Here's a challenge for you. How many different types of adjectives can you use to describe this dog? You may not be able to use all the different types of adjectives. Here's a possible answer. 1, sweet, medium, strong, young, white, spotted, English, hunting dog. Thanks for watching.